It's Bonnie. I am back. Happy Sunday night. So I've got something different for you guys this evening. I am reviewing BoxyCharm Luxe for December. I know I'm a little late, but I actually just re-upped to BoxyCharm for 2021. I'm doing a couple of different things with my channel this year, and I wanted to subscribe to two of the subscription boxes, and the two I decided on that I love are BoxyCharm and Glossy Box. So I actually went with the BoxyCharm base, which is $25 a month, and then I got the Luxe, which is an additional $35 every quarter. And the December box, which is called Bubbles and Glitz, is actually worth $456. So there's a lot of good stuff in here. I was actually super excited. It was exciting to see a beauty box sitting on my front porch after being away from it for a while. I essentially review Bath & Body Works. They're obviously a favorite of mine. I love the Lush. I'm going to be adding a lot of Lush into the channel this year. My husband just got into Dr. Squatch. He's loving the soap. I just got him the deodorant, so I'm gonna review that coming up. And then I have another channel called Beauty Geek that's just dedicated to the Avon products, which I use all the time. I love their skincare. I love a lot of their makeup, but I do like variety in my skincare, my beauty care. So I want to add a couple more things into the channel so that you guys can see like a variety of stuff that I try out. And I'm super excited about this box. So I saw this one out on the doorstep. I ran out, I got it. I actually opened it up because I actually wasn't sure I was going to review the December box because I'm like, it's already January 3rd. Everyone's got it. But it was so impressive that I decided to unbox this for you guys. So it's called Bubbles and Glitz. And what I like about BoxyCharm, I added everything up. It's $456 value, is you get a card with all the values and everything listed. So I'm going to go through what I got in this box. The thing that I'm most excited about is the brush set. Oh my goodness, you guys. I feel like brushes are one thing that's always a good deal with the beauty boxes. So this is an $85 value. It's the Luxie Glitter and Gold brush set. I'm in some dire need of some new brushes, especially, oh my gosh, you guys, I use this one all the time. I'd like to do a couple makeup tutorials for you guys this year too. So this brush is really good for putting on, I use eyeshadow underneath my eye. I very rarely use eyeliner. I'll just put a little eyeshadow under my eye using a stiff brush like this because I'm over 50. A lot of times the eyeliner looks too sharp. I'm not wearing a lot of eye makeup now, but I'd like to do a demo of that one time. So I'm super happy to get a couple brushes like this. So this is a really nice brush set with an $85 value. So I was excited about that. Because when my brushes get kind of gross, I usually, like, I'll wash them until they get really gross and then I toss them, because with the beauty boxes, you kind of get a nice turnover with the brushes. I also got from Iconic London, this is super pretty. This is a blush palette. I feel like I'm in the need for some blush this year. I'm actually kind of pale right now. I was gonna actually put a little bit of this on. Do we have a blush brush here? I think we do. Check this out. Look at this brush. This is gorgeous. This is really nice. So I was actually just gonna use a little bit. I'm actually gonna use this dark color. I feel like I'm really pale today for some reason. I don't know why. As winter rolls on, I tend to get pale. I always use a blush brush, and then I kind of smooth out with my fingers. It's an 80s thing, but check it out. That actually looks really good. I look a little bit more alive now that I added some blush. So Iconic London, this is it's a $55 value. It's the Blaze Chaser Face Palette. So I will definitely utilize this. I love getting new palettes. There's something nice about getting fresh makeup that always makes me happy. I got a second palette here. This is from Hipdot. I've never heard of this company before, but it is an eyeshadow palette, vegan, cruelty-free. I always like it when you get a mirror. Look at these shades though. These are crazy pigmented shades. This is a $30 value. It's funny because I don't wear blue. I'm probably going to give this to my mother because my mother loves blue eyeshadow. She's definitely the generation of, oh, that's pretty, of the blue eyeshadow from the 60s. Look at that. I have green eyes, and for some reason blue doesn't always work on me. That is called Ancient, that shade. So that's super pretty. A lot of times it's funny. My mother and daughter do a lot of artwork, and the palettes that we don't use on our face, you can use these just on a watercolor sheet and create art with these. So palettes never go to waste in our house. Next up, I got a hair care product from Riza. I've never heard of this company. Riza Be Obsessed. It is a gold-infused leave-in conditioner. It's got a ton of stuff in it, too. It's got crushed diamonds, pea protein, king coconut oil, black truffle oil, strawberry seed extract. Holy moly, it's $22 value. I'll try this out. I am so, like, addicted right now to the Avon Propoly Thera Royal Jelly shampoo conditioner. I use the entire line. I also use the Lush hair bars. So I don't know if I actually need another hair leave-in conditioner, but I like to try these out. You know, something different once in a while. We shall see. I will try this and see if I like it. So got that for $22. So that was nice. A lot of the stuff like the hair care stuff, if I don't use this kind of stuff, I usually, you know, gift this off to a family member. My family members are perfectly happy to to use the stuff that I don't. Then, what else did we get? I got a pair of earrings from Zaxi. These are a $36 value. They're cubic zirconia. I have not worn earrings in a really long time. I should put a pair of earrings in once in a while. Usually because my hair is down, it always covers my ears up, but those are super pretty. I'll probably gift those to my mother-in-law. She wears earrings all the time. Then I got the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. That's always nice. I'm like, that's what I like about this. I like getting, this is from Sol de Janeiro, $20 value. I would never in a million years pay $20 for something like this, but when I get it in a beauty box, I always use this stuff. So that's kind of nice. Let me try this on. Ooh, that feels good. Oh, it smells good too. Like I said, I will use these products, you know, put them on my makeup table, and then I have a little bit more variety, which I like. So that is super pretty. It's kind of got like a moisturizing quality to it. That's kind of nice. And then I got two higher end products, facial products from Sunday Riley. I got the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. I have not tried this. It deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin. I do like Sunday Riley products, so I will utilize this. I'll mix it in with the rest of my repertoire. Usually I use these types of products like once a week, so that is cool. And then I got the Avant Skincare. This is the Intensive Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. Anything that's white always shines off of my lights so badly. That's a $123 value. It creates luminosity and volume in the skin. I will try this. I've gotten Avant products before. So that's pretty cool. And like I said, if I decide not to use it, what I do is I just put everything in a box, and then I take it over either to my mother-in-law or some of my friends, you know, that like these types of products. So nothing ever goes to waste. And then I get to share more products with you guys, which I love. So let me know what you think of BoxyCharm. Have you tried it lately? Are you coming back? I'm actually really happy with this selection that I got. I mean, honestly, just the brushes were worth the $35 that I paid. Well, it's actually $35 plus the base, which is $25, but even $50, totally worth it just to get this brush set. I'm overly excited about these brushes. So that was cool. And I'm liking the blush. So this one is definitely a win-win-win for me. So anyway, I will be back with the January BoxyCharm base box, and then I've got glossy box coming, so that'll be fun. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.